Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my people. How na day? Na thank you. Today is another day. School does start. My party does finish. I'll do another video to appreciate all my people when come my party. But this one, I need to talk with you happen for my party. If I say make I relax, make I sleep, the thing go dey vex me. It go dey vex me. My brothers and sisters say a lot of things happened at my party. People came to steal and destroy. I will send a video out of the things I bought for my Shebi, for generals. I bought things, my people. Now people are beginning to say, she not buy anything, she not buy drink, she not even prepare, she not get, I kick cow. I carry ketchup, make it cook. And I bought things, when I mean expensive things when nobody they ever share for their party, they never ever chest stand. Now I buy. My good people that came all over from far places. I have someone from America at that party, nothing rich in hand. I have people from Holland, Belgium, France, nothing reach their hand. How did they share things? My so-called friend, when tell me say he go help me share. I tell her, say, see the way I will take share my things. She was like, no worry, I go help you share her. I said they share. Me never know say that she be the evil one I suppose run for. She carry friendship, I go help you share there. So my so-called people that also said they will come and help me during the party. Yes, I needed help. People came, they said they can't help me. My brothers, my sister, I never see that kind of help before. I never see that kind of help before. To cut the long story short, at my party, I need to come see where people were looting things, where they were palliative my things, as if it was in a government, they are in a government house, in a government office. It was as if government opened the border, I've been at their office, so go and palliate everything. Human beings were palliating their own flesh and blood, human being. I not be government worker. Not be government give me money. I bought these things to appreciate people. Only you pack 5, 4, 3. Waiting, madam. Waiting, brother. No one keep person. Me when do party not get one for house to take appreciate my people when there for hotel. Una fede do party, I never do it una. If na me do it una, don't carry me come out for social media is there. If na me come a party, come practice, come steal. Una for don't narrate me. I've never do it to you people. Una don't fit do party before. All these people I'm talking about, no one will ever fit do party. Who will fit come and say, Vera, come my party, come even drink. If I don't drink for your party, now water. I know they eat for party. I know they drink for party. The only thing I feel do is water. But you came to my party. You pack things, not support me. I did not see support from anybody except from my mama and from few people from her Facebook friends. Those ones just tell me, say, I don't go feel call your party. Don't say your account. I give them account. I bought things to appreciate my people. People for hotel, people that come from far places. Madam, you tell share something with me, say, people for front, all the Ashebi people not see anything. My people, these people, una need to go see the way my party can be. It can be like the room where the storeroom where I put something. It can be like saying a government office, now they open, back. People pack enter, they loot things out. Their parties, their boot full. I don't do it on a once. You might be, I don't do it on a once. I don't call my party what's going to do that kind of thing. What do I going to do for my party? Una chase people away. I don't see money, I don't do anything. Okay, I never do the party, say make I see money. But at least, una not get sympathy, una not get human feelings. Una don't think so that money I can buy those things. If to say, many people say they don't spray for me because there was no drink, there was no food, there was no gift, so nobody spray for me. The few people that spray for me was just the people, of my family, my close friends. Those ones, like close friends, Ashebi people, those ones still spray. Many people were so angry. They say, Vera, this will not be your party when you call it talk about. I was fucking ready for my party. I bought things expensively. I use table gas cooker share. I bought electric cooker. I bought blenders. That's set of blenders. I don't see anything. My people don't see anything. All my people, when they say they come my for human being. Why human being gonna do this to a fellow human being? I don't ever call a party what's called party, say my boots go full. These people never ever go to their party, say, I go see one pin carry call house. It no day, my people. It no day. They say make I go cry. I go see how una take beat me join my things so. Una go return my things. Yes. I go tell una say, if una for a team for party, una go stop her for very home. Una go stop. As you see me so, I'm small bet mighty. Not be where you for no road and for no road. I go tell you where those money for come when I take to my party after spending more than 25,000 euro for party. I don't see anything to talk about. My people, when I suppose happy, when I suppose they use things to share for, they don't see anything to share. Brother, sister, I don't know you. If you know you took more than one thing from my party, you will pay dearly. I will summon your soul in the temple. I will summon those children in your house in the temple. That house will not carry my thing center. That children will did that house. Man will did that house. Sorry, my phone fall. Woman ain't did that house. Children ain't did that house. Man ain't did that house. I will summon your soul in the temple. No, don't know how money take come. Next time I don't see for party again. If I feel like doing, I'll stop her for Vera party. No, don't go try for any party again. As soon as not take get sympathy chuka for my eye. I don't go get sympathy take chuka for my eye. I don't go get sympathy for one chuka for my eye. Nothing else, you can travel to Tokai. Now there my temple day. I will summon your soul. I will summon your children's soul. Una go answer. I will summon your soul. I will ask your children. Have I ever done it to your parents? I will ask your soul. I don't do it for una. Since then, before I come out for this video, I have been sending messages to each and everybody say, if you know you pack my things, you loot things at my party, return it, you all know my address. I don't care to know who bring her. The una fit return her for night, come keep her for outside of my house. So that anything when I want to do, una go know so I don't return her. I don't care to know who took my things. Una go una just return her. But if you don't do so, after I don't give warning, I am going to summon your children's soul. Those house when I carry my things enter. Una go know say, Vera is not just a human being. Before person will chase that kind of party, you don't ever chase more than 25,000 euro party before. You never use those kind to take share for your party before. You know as I take get my money. Now for temple, they donate those money for me. Hence, not temple, I forget that money. Now temple, I go summon a soul. Thieves! I'm robber criminals! People came to my party to steal and to destroy. Not to follow me jolly. I was thinking you people are human beings. I was thinking you people, they called, una fi consider for person. You came to my party not to consider for me. You came to my party not to feel for me. Do you know how much I spent? I'm still holding a lot of more than 23 people. Gift, Ashebi people. They came to that party, they don't see gift. Why you? You that did not pay a dime. Or you that even bought just one Ashebi. Una carry more than double things. Carry go as go the happy say, una hand meter. When I be normal human be like una. I don't be government property. Not be government give me money. Not be Nigerian government money I thief that do party. Una run enter my party. Begin to loot things. When I begin to hear information, they go say, they go run enter motor go carry things. Don't say how many don't reach your hand. 4. Now 10 go reach my hand. Don't run enter the office again. Don't go to parties. I be human being for Christ's sake. I be human being for Christ's sake. As you not get sympathy for me, I'm not gonna get sympathy to do or something. Your children will pay. I said it. Your children will pay. Your children will pay. That's when I carry my tea center. Your children will pay. Your children's destiny. I'm going to hold it in my hand at the temple. This is a warning. A video warning. By next week I'll be the temple. You have nothing next week to return my things. You have nothing next week. Nothing can return for night. Nothing can return or nothing poster. I'm not gonna send that call. You have nothing next week to return my things. Yes! Boy, girl, man, woman, wait there your house. Your destiny. I'll tell you, say, those Indian gods, they are hungry for children's destiny. Those Indian gods, will suffer una. As you not get considering spirit for me. Una not say I be human being. Una not say na human being. Una dey pack a thing so for party. I was in a happy mood. You people came to my party, don't destroy. Make her for not see money. Make her for not see things. Make people for talk say, I should brag rich, buy something, nothing. And true, people begin to say, they don't see drink. They don't see food chop. My own party. Where for carry get your kick cow? I don't see my own cow. I don't see my own cow chop. I never talk for the meat. Because food is meant to eat, okay? I choose to kill that cow, make people come chop. No problem. As I tell loot the meat, no problem. But you saw those gift items. I am telling you, Vera, your children's destiny, your children's soul will pay. Not be everybody everybody not be human being. We all know they sleep. They put it for one for the same direction. Everybody get where they get out clear. Do you know who I am? Not be the court where I dare you day. Not be the society where I dare you day. Not be the friends where I get. Not be you get. Now Temple, I forget my money. I'm not telling the whole world. Temple donated money for me for my party. Hence now they donate my money for me. I will summon your children's soul. I will summon your children's spirit at the temple. And they will answer me. I will summon your your spirit. Your children's destiny will pay for it. Those houses will not carry my gift enter. Except what I'm saying. If you carry one gift per a person, you are free. Whatsoever want to go and do at the temple will not affect you. If you carry one gift per a person, whatsoever want to go and do at the temple will not affect you. If you carry more than one, you are a thief. Your children in the house with their destiny will pay dearly for it. We have 20 gods at the temple. 20 Indian gods. Try me. Try me. Try me. Try me and see. If I don't carry on children food for head, then they find me, they go, don't call me Vera. If I don't carry on children food for head, then they find me, they go at the end, don't call me Vera. This is not a Nigerian gods. When I don't see finish. This is Indian gods. I know the reason why. Now because of human being like when I go join that gods. Not because of human being like when I go join that temple. Because of what you know they do person. Because of what you know they do person, I have to go and join temple. And they will fight dearly for me. I don't go join temple for anything. Not because of human being like una. Now I go join temple. I go Tokai, go join temple. Because I know that human beings are wicked. I know that human beings are wicked. And this is the time I will use my influence. This is the time I will use those power, those gods to destroy your children. I don't see for an party before. I don't see anything can come out from an party before. May God punish all of you. May God punish all of you. Since what I do party, when I leave me to the talk. May God punish all of you. Human being, mother, father, go see the thief at your age. At your age. Very soon of you go carry grandchildren. You not go see the thief for party. Don't say can't you buy it? Are they truly the things that you cannot buy? If not for wickedness. If not for wickedness. Now the things one don't know if you catch money buy. Wait your attention now, wait you don't know if you buy. If not for wickedness. If not be wickedness when they worry una. Only you carry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boot full. All of you are boot full. Are we animal? And we now go say me cannot crack come out. Make I say what could challenge me for what I talk so. I go use your children and take answer them. If you challenge me for anything when I talk so, now your children will take carry now you take carry what they ground so. Anybody will challenge me for what I do so. Now your children do not take career because I know how much I spent. I spent more than 20,000 euro. They do party for Europe. Nothing to write about. Are you mad? Are you mad? Come my party, come the thief. My boot full. I use my money do party. You not support me with 1 cent. Did you support me with 1 cent? Instead, now my I want to meet Vera. This year, if I feel a thief for party, we're go stop her for Vera party. We're go stop her for Vera. Now this Vera party will be the last. We're not gonna let thief again. Not be everybody they get her clear. We all know they get her clear. I get where they get her clear. I guess where they get her clear. We're not gonna see things we wanna put in our so. It's too over una. It's too good over una. Your children destiny will pay for it. Your children's soul will pay for it. For the things wanna go thief for my party, the things wanna carry for my party, your children's soul will pay. You will pay. Your children will pay for it. I don't care about you as the parents. Some people are gonna say their children not do anything. Are you fucking mad? Are you mad? Are you crazy? As a business, I get children before I do anything, and they look left and right because I have children. The belief they make parable say, if you don't they born, you're gonna put leg for grass small because of your children. There are many things what you're supposed to do because of children. You will not do it. Hence, you did not consider your children. I will not consider them. Hence, you did not consider your children before you call a thief for my party. I will not consider your children. Their soul, their destiny will pay. When I say get out next week to return my things. This is just an open message from the temple. Open message from the temple. When I get nothing next week to return my things before I travel to Itokai. I'll be in Itokai next week if I not return my things. If you return my things, there will be no problem. I don't fucking care who carry my things. I don't know. I don't know the name of the people who carry my things. But we have to see my things. Anywhere I see her, if you not give me, I will say, you are free. This one I don't come out. If I go temple, anything when I do, it not concern you. But if you not return my things, your children's destiny will pay for it. Your children's soul, they will pay for it. Those gods they are hungry. They are hungry for our children's soul. Animals. Mother go party go thief. Father go party go thief. At una age. Not be waiting and not go fit buy. Some of una children don't reach to give una grandchildren. Una see the thief. Don't be waiting and no fit buy. Una go come and do kati. They loot my things for party as if I become a property. He come be say na government house they open. He come be say they open government office. Una need to go see how they push out of the office. They carry things without considering me. Una expect me make I go buy another one. Take share, give my honorables there, my people there. I'm owing more than 23 people I should be gift. Not be say I not buy surplus things. Not to talk of the food for my party. I don't see food take share. Me when carry Ketra cook different type of food. I don't see food take share. I been a drink. After the video, I'll be sending receipt of everything. I bought just whiskey for 1,200 euro. For just whiskey there. I don't see anyone for my party. As soon as they carry out those things, your children's soul will pay for it. May I say how our children will take better for this country. Make I see how our children will take get work. They're not going to reach that stage when they will take get work before now carry the poo for head. Now, by that time, those idiot gods don't they shop there for inside body. When I joined those temple, I was having a mission. When I joined that temple, I was having a mission. I knew that this day will come because you people are animals and evil. I knew that one day I go choke out for my eye. I joined that temple because I know that one day I go choke out for my eye. That day don't come. When I don't choke out for my eye. When I don't choke out for my eye, say make I go do my worst. When I don't do my worst for my party, I go do my own worst. The children will down the house. The man, the woman, they go pay put. Yes. If you know where you are coming from, you are not supposed to do evil anymore. As a mother. That is why if I go anywhere, I'm very careful with my life because of my children. That is why I don't do anything to anybody. Because of my children. I know how many times they don't come out for this social media. I know the answer. Because of my children. But as consider now. As una take ready come my party come destroy. As una not consider my children come take thief from my party, I don't go consider them for una. May God punish all of una. Next week I will be a talker. I'm not just bragging. Una not say very not they brag. Una not say if I talk I do. By next week all of una go see Sia when I will travel to Turkey. By next week una go see me for temple as well. I will beg them make a video some. I will beg them make a video some part come out. Because normally we don't do video in the temple. But I will beg them for a little part. Make una see how take someone una soul. Una children soul. Una children destiny. Una children destiny way bright. We just they come from this country. Now una take pay for those gifts. When small gifts one una fit buy. Now una take pay put. Small gifts one una fit cut money buy. Those gifts one una think maybe if it's too much, 200 euro go cover all of them. But una not consider. Una trade una children soul for 200 euro. I go help una trader. Human beings are wicked. That is why I was waiting for this day. I know that this day will come. I know that you people will come for me. I invite you to come my party. I don't say me come destroy me, come thief. I say me come follow me happy. Come follow me celebrate my day. Una region will begin a thief. Una region will begin a destroy. Una not let people enter my party. Una not let people spray for me, may they follow me happy. I don't do it for my party before. I don't do it on before. Person go use open and spoil person party. I don't spoil my party before. This is just a warning. A warning video. Today is what? Wednesday. Una get Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to return my things when I loot. Una get 4 days to return my things when I palliative come up for my party. From a mother who be in Turkey. I know they brag for my thing. If I don't do what I want to do, I know they talk about this matter again. I will let those 20 gods, those 20 Indian gods fight for me. After I don't do what I want to do, those 20 gods, I will let them fight for me. And I will see how you go to watch 20 Indian gods come up for your life. Come up for your children's life. I will see. As soon as you come from my eye, I go carry on where you go pay on a pass. Vera is not just an ordinary human being. Now because of it, I go join temple. Now because of it, I go join their temple. Now don't step up for some money for my party. Now there for someone that soul. When our children soul, now there for someone. And warning to all of you who have seen this video, who have not seen this video with 30 once. Who don't see the video when I tell the one we never see her. Say the people we can't see from my party. I'm coming. I'm coming for you people. I'm not using our papa money to do party. I'm not using our mama money to do party. I'm not using Nigerian government money to do party. May God punish you now. Now we return my things. And if you don't return it, you will trade it with your children's soul. You will trade it with your children's destiny. I say so.